1, go!
8:41 on the Blue Alliance. The Biomechs headed straight for that gear spring lift, but not quite making that alignment. Over on the Blue Alliance, looks like we did not get any autonomous score either. Not quite aligned on either of these sides. As time expires in the autonomous periods, we are at 15-15. They get 5 points each for each robot moving across that initial green line. And all 6 robots move, so we're at 15-15. But now, the Red Alliance and the Blue Alliance both triggering that initial first rotor, so we're tied up at 55 all. Looked like a combined effort from the Cypress Circuits and Eagle Strike to trigger that fuel hopper dump onto the field. But now, Cardinal Robotics making their way straight over towards the retrieval zone on the Blue Alliance. They're making their way back. They've got a gear. Cyber Circuits trying to play some defense. 114 now. Eagle Strike making their way past. But Eagle Strike just making it past the defense of the Cypress Circuits. We still have 55-55. Looks like the Red Alliance is getting one more gear. They need one more in order to trigger their rotor number 2. Blue Alliance has some gears in place, but they still need to trigger their rotor number 2. We got just over 1 minute remaining, and we got 2 blue robots in the retrieval zone for the Blue Alliance. Here comes the last 60 seconds now. 41-59. Cardinal Robotics grabbing a gear, trying to grab one of those gears off the ground. It looks like they've got it. Almost there. They've grabbed it into their machine. And they're zooming straight across midfield back to the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance and the Red Alliance have both started their second rotor for a tied up score of 95, but not for long as Blue Alliance pulls ahead to 135 with their third rotor. And that's third rotor. Now it's 30 seconds remaining, and these teams are ready to climb aboard the airships. Those pilots are releasing those ropes. And it's still anybody's game. Red Alliance looking to climb a couple more robots than Blue, and they could still make the difference. 114 is the first one up on their rope. Actually, looks like the subatomic Smarticles are the first ones ready for takeoff. Red Alliance has 2 robots ready for takeoff. Red Alliance pulls into the lead with 3 seconds remaining. If Blue Alliance can get one more, there's not quite enough time, but the Red Alliance takes the lead in the final seconds of the match. Our referees will double check it, and then we'll bring you our official score. Speaking of official scores, coming up right now is the airships race to the finish line. It is the Red Alliance taking the lead with a score of 195. Blue